Oh, wow. I see treasure. Oh, Mom. There's... is that a corset? Oh, wow. Is that a bustle? Mom. 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 Treasure. Mom. Treasure. Treasure.
It's a little wire bustle?
It's a little wire baby bustle. Wait, wait.
So tiny.
It's a little baby wire bustle. Hold on, I gotta stand.
Oh, how cute.
Is this a corset? Oh my good heavens to Betsy. It's a corset! Oh my gosh. Treasure. Hold on, I gotta go show my mom. Okay. Is this a pagoda sleeve? It's a pagoda sleeve bodice. It's a little tiny baby bum pad. It's so tiny. Electric blue. Oh, wow. Mom, look at this blue. Just the trim is stunning on this. About 18, no. Is this 1840s? It's about 1840s. Wow. Look at the inside. Hold on, let me unhook her. Wow, entirely hand done. Wow, that is beautiful. Bonnet. Baby bonnet. Beautiful baby bonnet. Kind of feels like 1850s. The cardinal pleating. Wow. Oh my word. This is beautiful. Look at this cartridge pleating. Wow. Wow. That is insanity. Look at the back. Oh, she's beautiful. The piping. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wish you could feel this velvet. It is so soft. Wow. Wow, look at the little tiny baby buttons. This is about 1890s. You can tell by the gigantic leg of mutton sleeve. Wow. Wow, you would not get over. Looks about 1880s. I'd have to drape it on a bustle, but this is so crazy. This is cool, actually. I've only ever seen how to do this trim in my book, and it didn't make any sense. I have no idea that fast. Oh, okay, so about 1870s. You can tell just by the length of the bodice and the way that it's got these princess seams.
That looks like a little girl.
Isn't that pretty? Look at the back. Wow. And no lining, too. That's always neat. I'm feeling very 1850s, 1860s about this one. Whoa. feeling height of Civil War. Wow, that is the jet trim. So 1850s. And the pagoda sleeves. God, isn't that beautiful? And this would have gone over a full crinoline. Look at the back. Oh. Oh, it's neat to see. Usually you see cartridge pleats in this time period. I like the fact that they did pleats though. I wonder what that looked like over a crinoline.